Alright, so I've just opened my desktop, so I'm gonna go to my start, then I'm gonna look for Android Studio. So I have it right here. So in this folder, click on Android Studio. So it's going to load very quickly, so just allow it to load. So this is the 2023 version as of March 2023. So it's loading. Just hope it loads quickly. Alright, so here we go. So now my AVD manager opens by default, but if you don't have it, you can actually just click here and it will actually open for you. So I have mine right here. So we're gonna test it and see. So I'm gonna click my play button here, and as you can see, when I click my play button, it actually creates an error. So it says install HAXM. So I don't know that, so I'll click OK, and then it will give me this mode to actually be able to install it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just click next, and then I'll just wait for it to install. Back to you can see there's an error. It has actually failed to install, and now what do we do? Alright, so we're gonna fix that. So let's click finish, and then you can see there's another error here, device manager. There's an error right here. It's just gonna click OK. So after that, let's just you know what, let's just close our Android Studio, and then we're gonna see how to fix that. So we're gonna go to the start, then we're gonna check for our control panel by clicking the words control. So here it loads. I've just clicked the words control, I've searched for it. So click on control, then wait for it to open. So it is actually opened here. So we're gonna go to programs. So we're gonna look for Windows on and off. So this is the option right, so click on it. It's actually load, and then after it loads, we're actually gonna have a list of options here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll through this, and then we're gonna look for Hyper-V. So Hyper-V is actually what we need here. So just select Hyper-V, click on this down arrow. So we're gonna click Hyper-V. As you can see, when I click on it, there's actually one that is actually not checked amongst mine, and then we're gonna fix that error during the restart using the BIOS setup, so you're able to check that and have it also set up. So click OK, and then it's actually gonna search for required files and to actually apply those changes. So it's gonna take some time, but I've actually speed up the video. So we're gonna close and we're gonna restart the computer. Okay, so after doing that, we're actually gonna restart our machine. So restarting is the next thing. So as my desktop opens, so click escape immediately, and then we're gonna have this option. So for BIOS setup, we're gonna click F10, then we're actually gonna have this menu. So from here, we actually want to go to the advanced settings. So just make sure you go to the advanced. So click on advanced here. So under advanced, we actually wanna go for the device configuration. So actually have device configuration there. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down among these options. So we're gonna look for virtualization technology, and it's actually what we need. So until you actually find it, so actually have something that says virtualization. So click on that, and then after that we're gonna save. So just make sure to go here and click save. So we're gonna click yes, and then after that we can actually exit. Okay, so we've saved that, so we can actually just click on the exit button. So after that we can actually save all those changes, and actually the computer is reopened. So we're gonna go back to our start menu, and we're gonna search for control panel again. So we're gonna go for the option again of turn Windows on and off. So we have it right here. So this is the shortcut to it. So turn Windows on and off. Then we're gonna go to the Hyper-V option again, and when you click this drop down again, we actually see that the other one is actually now active, and that's actually what we wanted. So click on it, select it, then click OK. Then we're gonna apply those changes, and well, it's gonna take some time, but then after that we're gonna restart our computer again. So the computer is restarting. So when it restarts, we can actually now go and open our Android Studio again. So search for Android Studio. So here it is. So let's allow it to open. So it's gonna open. So it's gonna take some few seconds, but so it's actually loading. Alright, so my Android Studio is opened, and then we're gonna go back to AVD Manager. If you haven't have it open, so click on this menu, and alright, so we're gonna click the play button again. So here we go, and then I click on the play button. Let's stretch this a little bit. When I click on the play button, you can actually see my emulator is actually on and working. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to leave a like on the video. And if you're new to this channel, I encourage you in the community by subscribing. Really, I hope this video really helped you. It took me some time to figure out, but I hope it actually helped you. Alright, bye.